Welcome friends! Let's get started with Vedic mathematics! Today we are going to learn subtraction using a powerful Vedic mathematics method. In general, subtraction means taking away some value or property from something else. For example, if you subtract 5207 from 8539, the remainder is 3332. This is the conventional way of subtraction, but today we will see how Vedic methods can make this process much faster and easier. Can you tell me what makes subtraction tricky sometimes? Yes, that's right, borrowing from the next digit. Vedic maths helps us avoid that. Now, why do Vedic methods outsmart the conventional method? Because they remove the lengthy borrowing process and replace it with quick complements. The two Vedic methods for subtraction are: first, Nikhilam Navatsakarma Dasta, which means all from 9 and the last from 10. Second, Vinkulak method, also called Mishrank method. In today's class, we'll focus on the first one. Repeat after me. All from 9 and the last from 10. Can you guess what that means? This sutra is generally applied when subtraction is done from the multiples of 10 like 100, 1000 or 10,000. The trick is simple. Instead of borrowing, we take the complements of number. Each digit is subtracted from 9 and the last digit from 10. Let's try a quick one. What is the complement of 6 from 9? Correct, it's 3. And what is the complement of 7 from 10? Yes, it's 3 again. Here are the rules. If the minuend is larger, subtract normally. If the minuend is smaller, take the complement of each digit. Remember, all from 9 and the last from 10. At the end, subtract 1 from the last column of the minuend. Why do you think we subtract 1 at the end? Yes, it balances the complement process. Let's do a first example. Subtract 589 from 10,000. Step 1. Write 10,000 as in complemented form. 9, 9, 9, 10. Subtract each digit. 9, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 10 minus 9, 1. And since here is no digit, so we consider it as 0, so it is 9. So our final result is 9,411. That's much faster than conventional method. Give it a try before I reveal the answer. Now try a small subtraction mentally, like 1000 minus 456. Give it a try before I reveal the answer. Yes, it's 544. Vedic method. Now let's solve 963 minus 679 using the Vedic method. Step 1. From 10, subtract the last digit. 3 minus 9 will become what? Minus 6. And the complement of 6 is 4 when you look at the complement table. So, observe here, the complement of 6 is 4. Now, step 2. We are going to consider our next column, that is 6 minus 7. But this time we will take the complement from 9. So when 7 is subtracted from 6, we will obtain minus 1. When minus 1 is subtracted from 9, we will get 8. And hence we have written 8 here. Now step 3. So now adjust by subtracting 1 from the last column of the minuend. That is, when we subtract 6 from 9, we'll obtain 3. But in the last column, we have to perform an additional subtraction of 1. So subtract 9 minus 6 minus 1 instead of 9 minus 6 in the last column from the minuend, and hence we will obtain a final result as 284. Did you get 284? Raise your hand if you saw it before me. Now it's practice time. Use the Nicholam Sutra to solve these. First one is 63 minus 41. Then 856 minus 549. Then 8751 minus 425. Then 5643 minus 3596. With practice, you will become very fast at this. See you.